Heidi here, and today I have a fun challenge for you to try. We're gonna try the Pringles ring challenge. So for this challenge, you need 1 can of Pringles, no tape, no scissors, no glue, and you're going to try to stack them to form a ring like this. Do you think you can do it? Good luck. I have my Pringles ready. Let's start stacking to create our ring. First, start by creating a base. Now that you have a base, I suggest doubling your Pringles. The friction of the chips touching will make it easier to build your ring. Here's my Pringles ring. Here's my finished Pringles ring. Do you think you can do it? Try out different methods and see what works best for you. Have fun, and thanks for watching. Bye.